Yes, family, we are right back. And I had an accident, kitchen accident after I went off camera. And we can't prevent that. Get right in camera, girl. See, I got burned right here. And this is going to become a bubble. But, nevertheless, it is the kitchen and you can never prevent all these accidents. So, you all got to be careful when I'm saying to you. Now, I have to be having my hand in ice water. But I've got to finish my breakfast. So you've got to push on, okay? These are the days when we got to push on. These are the days when you don't let them get ahead of you. Now, what I wanted to show you is over here. When you put your fritters and they're in batch, step right back, camera girl. And you're going to proceed. This is where I got the burn a while ago. Camera girl, step right back. When you lift and they come like this, you don't make it be a problem. Right here. Because they'll join to each other right over here. Now, this is the first batch that I've fried off. They have all been joined together. But it's quite easy. You just pull them apart. So they're joining together inside the skillet or inside the wok or frying pan. You don't let it be a bother because they can easily be separated. But you all must be careful because that was when I got burned while I was turning them. So we have a look at the fritters, and this is the color you need your fritters to be, and you leave it on your hand towel to drain. Now we want you to look at the banana porridge, and it is always wise to use the taller things, taller spoons, taller everything, okay? Because if I'm using shorter ones, my hand with the burn is gonna go down into the heat. Well, all of that. I am gonna do a video on kitchen safety. Accidents that can be prevented and some that just cannot be prevented. I'm going to do for you all a kitchen accident video. Okay? Accidents that we can deliberately prevent and some that they just come right upon us and we never know when they happen. Okay, y'all? Now to the banana porridge. Now, my banana is blended. Yes. And some people are having problems with me using my spoon in the metal pot. I don't have a problem. So I'm just using the wooden spoon right now for this. Not that I have to, but I'm showing you. But for me still feel awkward with my wooden spoon because my wooden spoon is not getting into the groove of the pot right in these places here to scrape my porridge. Now this is the nature of the banana porridge. It will give you a grayish color. This is the banana blended with the coconut milk and a little all-purpose flour. It is still boiling on very low heat. So when it comes to perfection, it doesn't take long like the cornmeal porridge, but when I do the video in depth for you, you all will see. So we see we have the first batch of fritters fry out. This one is ready, camera girl. Be careful, yes? This one is ready, and look at me taking it out in this whole thing. That was what I was talking to you all about. So when it's cool, you can just get right in and separate them. And remember, your oil is still over here. And you know what happened? We have, when you see these little left backs, you need to proceed to take them out. You can flip them out on the stove, man. No problem, because you're going to clean your stove when you're through, okay? So, you proceed to start. You don't lay them high up. You lay them flat out. Because when you lay them high up, they might be brown on the outside and on the inside is not properly cooked. Do not proceed to lay your fritters all lumped up, tied up. Proceed to lay them flat like this, because when they come out, they'll just be crispy, soft, and cooked on the outside and the inside. Because when you lay them too high, and they're brown on each side, but when you open them, the flour inside is now the butter, it's not cooked. Okay, y'all? So now we're here, and we fry off our next set. See them right here? You can just easily remove them. Okay, y'all? Nice little trick. So you don't have to worry. This is hot. I can't remove it. So you don't have to worry. You can just, once you see they come attached like that, looking nice, when they're cool, you just separate them. Okay? So we're going to do just that. We're going to give our banana porridge a little more time, and we have a little, and one more thing, fam. If you mix batter and you feel like you have enough fritters, you don't want any more, or your family or whatever, the rest that is left, you can freeze it in your container, properly covered. Yes, it's not hot, so it's good, and you can put it in your freezer So when you're going to use it again, you take it out maybe at 12 or so hours prior to using time, and it's good to go. You just whip it. You don't have to put any additional flour or anything. You just whip it, get it back together, and you're ready to go. So this batter, left back batter, can be frozen to join the return stream. Okay, y'all?